Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel that will empower you to create awesome content just from your phone. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links to your TikTok bio profile. Now, if you've been using TikTok for a little while, just like me, I've come across several profiles when I go and follow them, and I always found that they had clickable link in their bio. No matter what I try, I couldn't find how to do that. A few hours of research, I finally found out how to do it. Now what you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and scroll down where it says join TikTok testers. Once you're on this particular page, click on step 1. This will take you to the App Store to download the test flight software. Click on get and download the software. Once it's downloaded, click on open and hit continue. I will just show you some basic terms and conditions. You just accept that and you allow that test flight software to send you notifications. Well, once you reach this particular stage, I saw a lot of people get stuck because it says no apps available to test. Even if you click on redeem, it would ask you for a redeem code, which got never sent out to me via email. But I found out how you can skip this process and still continue with your process. So the next step is click on step 2 and click on start testing. This will again take you to the App Store. Don't worry about that. Accept or download or upload your software, just do that. Now this will say either you already have the software or if there's a new update, it will ask you to update and install. Update and reinstall the software again, and it will kind of re-download or reshuffle the software settings and everything. Don't worry about that. Click on start testing and boom, you're back onto the app. And now once you click on that three dots and go into your profile settings, if you click on edit profile, and you'll see now that there's a new tab which says website. If you click on add your website, it will allow you to enter your website, your YouTube channel, or whatever link you want to put there for your followers, so you can take your followers outside TikTok as well. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful, and it will allow you to put your clickable website on your bio profile. Now, one of the most important factor that you need to know about this is that you need to have 1,000 followers before this becomes active on your profile. So if you don't currently have 1,000 followers, even though you have gone through the process, the website option will not show up on your profile. So you'll need to wait until you reach that 1,000 followers mark before you could add your website to your bio profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you get notified of all the upcoming videos. Now, if you've not reached 1,000 followers, make sure to comment below with your TikTok username, so as an audience you all can add each other and help to reach that 1,000 goal. Also, if you're getting 0 views on your videos or very low number of views on your video, make sure to check out the other videos that I've done which shows you how to resolve that issue. If you have any questions about this particular video or any other video relating to TikTok on my YouTube channel, make sure to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Once again guys, thanks for checking out my channel. I hope to see you in the next one.